Hi trader, I'm Lina, and in this video I want to show you how to trade with the help of artificial intelligence. So in the first half of the video we try to use it, and the second half of the video we try to use my personal bot. And to get access to it, just follow the link in the description to my Telegram channel, and let's start our trading session. So we start. Here we are in the bucket option. The balance is $400. Our first deal will go through $100. 1 minute time frame as always. Balance the pass. Let's start to the first. We go to the first concept and here we are. We click AI trading. Yeah, we see the timing. It's open for exactly 2 minutes. Of course, I'll speed it up. So it's quite a risky, and on my own, I don't recommend this to anyone because AI will often make mistakes, so it has not yet been developed good, and I show you. You'll see the result in the end of the video. So if you open an ordinary ConcePass, it can open a deal for minutes or two. Often such periods of time and the most optimal, and the AI is considered like this. So I want to compare this with my bots, my personal bots, and we see what we see here. I think it will turn out to be a very interesting comparison in the video, so enjoy the video, and we are speeding up. 6 seconds left at the moment, and we go down. We see that we see plus deal. It's correctly quite interesting. And we going AI trading. We click this and automatically opens a deal. 2 minutes. We see decreasing. The artificial intelligence take this as a basis. We see. I think it's a big mistake because if it opens on such time frames, it doesn't really analyze the market for the last period. And I'll remind you about my bots. You can find the link in the description to my Telegram channel. And I'll give you some instructions how to use it, how to get it, and how to trade with it. It's quite simple. Just follow the link and you'll get these instructions to start trading with it. And also subscribe, like, and write me the comments. So 7 seconds left until the end. We see that the trade is most likely closing. Not good because our market has begun to grow, and we see the score is already 1-1. We see in the last period there clearly should have been pullbacks. As we see, and we go into further. I think the artificial intelligence also opened the deal like down. Some controversial option. Let's see how to 6 seconds, and we see most likely our trade is closing in the negative position. Yeah, unfortunately we reduce on our balance more and more with the help of this artificial intelligence. And then we'll make some conclusion about this, and we reduce the chart. Yeah, it's stupid decision using artificial intelligence, so let's move on. So we go into the first concept bar and click again with my bot. That's because we see some basic amount. You see artificial intelligence has already opened a trade for an increase and the time is 2 minutes. Yeah, I think some forecast for an increase, I'll say it's probably not bad, but nevertheless there is an obvious downward trend, and we see by previous candles. So controversial. Speed up. If you're struggling to understand trading indicators or disappointed with the results, you're probably losing money. My free trading team is here to help you. Every day I share trading signals that you can copy manually or automatically by connecting to my social trading. I'm always ready to help you at every step. If you need to make $50 or even more, $1,000 per day, join my Telegram group now then, and you'll find interesting stories of new buys and real results. The number of places is limited, so do not miss the chance. Join today and start your profitable trading. So we see some drawdown relative to our opening points, 5 seconds, and let's wait. This deal is also closing in the minus. Unfortunately, that's how the artificial intelligence works. So we see some conclusion. We can conclude that I don't recommend it for use. Be careful and attentive. Now I'll demonstrate my bot. We also have our own artificial intelligence. Yeah, click it, and it's quite simple to use. We see time frame, concept bus, and we will open our deals. Also, you can use Bitcoin, dollar, and the other. We use concept bar, time frame 1 minute, and start signals, and we started our analysis of the chart of the market. Up, remove it from the chart. We see drawdown. The market should recover. We see with the support area. Let's see. 1 minute deal. Artificial intelligence opens in its own time frame, in its own time zones. Speeding up the video. So 3 seconds left until the end of our deal. Yep, we see plus deal. Quite simple deal. So our artificial intelligence, our bot, yeah, it was calculated really good. We see some general recovery, and we took our bot, concept and we start signals, and we see some analysis in progress. Then we see analysis of the artificial intelligence of our bot, and more precisely, it will not immediately open a deal. That is, you see it analysis for a certain amount of time. Often this takes up to a minute. So speeding up. So analyzing some up deal, and we go to the next concept. Then we open our deal up, and we see some decreasing, but it was recovered, and the candles started to go down. So with some return of the markets, my bot was correctly. So 6 seconds left. 5. We see growth. So unfortunately 0, but still not the minus. I think it's not a mistake of my bot, but we see the candle began to jump a lot in the last period of time, and it's quite offensive, especially in the last period of time we stayed within the highest limits. So my bot was analyzed this correctly. We go to bot, go back to bot, and choose concept bar. It's important that when this signal is given, you immediately switch. We see we have an increase, immediately switch it on, turn on our concept bar, open a deal up, and we see some growth. It was analyzed by my bot. Let's see. So our deals, it's come to an end. Some uncertainty. Yep, last deal, and let's do some summarize. By pocket option, it was 4 deals and just one winning and 3 minus, so it's not good, I think. And we also traded with the help of my bot, my personal bot. There was 2 of them were in the plus and 1 at the 0. To use it, just follow the link in the description to my Telegram channel, and thanks for watching. See you in the next video.